Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely a great gift for yourself or for a loved one because it is an easy to use drone. This thing is really, really cool. So this was sent over here. It's gonna come in this little box right here. It is the TT19 model. You're gonna get everything you need. So first off, you are gonna get a nice little storage case here that has also instructions. We're covering all the features here in the video, but this makes it nice to store when you are not utilizing the parts and pieces of the drone itself. Now, as you can see, here is the drone, nice and compact size, which we're gonna go over here in a minute. But why I like this thing is because of the remote control. That makes it kind of unique. So the remote control, this is what it looks like. You're gonna notice it has a nice LCD screen right here in the middle. This makes it easy to see the built-in camera. So when you are controlling the drone, you're gonna get a nice little image here in the middle, and it makes it easy to fly around because you're looking at where you are going. And then you don't have to worry about getting your phone, getting an app hooked up to it, anything like that. It's just all built in right here, just easy to use. Also makes it great for kids learning how to fly a drone. Now, all the controls are very easy. You got the little trick button here on the back and on the side. It does do a nice 360-degree trick, which is a cool to show off with your friends. It has the two joysticks to go up and down, left and right, and fly around. Now, as far as takeoff and landing, it does have a quick button where you can simply press it and it will go ahead and take off for you. And then same thing, if it starts getting away too far, you can hit that button and it will go ahead and go down. Now, on the remote control, it's going to have a quick, easy access buttons to allow you to control the camera, whether you want that facing down for the bird's eye view or facing straight forward. There's simply little buttons you just simply press, and you'll notice it's going to go ahead and adjust the camera to capture those different angles. And then finally, if you are wanting to take those pictures in video, you're going to have two quick access buttons. You can simply press those, and it's going to go ahead and start taking those photos or doing that recording. You have easy access buttons, which I like. Now let's go over the drone itself. So as you can see, it's a nice little compact aspect here. It does have all the little blinking lights and everything, so it makes it easier to see at nighttime or when it's up in the sky. It does have these little optional kind of protections for the blades. It does come with 4 extra spare blades in the little itty bitty screws and a screwdriver. So if you do bend any of the blades or they happen to hit a tree or anything like that, it's going to help with that. Now, with that said, this does have a nice built-in 270-degree objects kind of avoidance, if you will. It's not foolproof, but it's going to help keep you from hitting objects and trees because it's using those sensors, which is a nice little feature. It also does have ability to record the altitude. So if it gets too high, it's going to be able to notice that as well. So it's got a lot of these built-in features, if you will, to make sure you don't crash the drone. Once again, it's not foolproof. It's able to be crashed, but it's going to be at least a little bit helpful when it comes to beginners. Speaking of beginners, it also has 3 different speed options. So if you are new to drones and you're trying to learn how to control it, go ahead and use that lower speed setting. If you're more used to flying drones, then you can go up to the middle or the fast speed itself. Now, it is small and lightweight, so do not utilize this drone. I don't recommend utilizing it on a very, very windy day because that wind will be able to capture this drone. However, it does have, once again, those features help resist some of that stuff, but if it's really, really windy, there's nothing it can do. So I do save this for calmer days. But overall, like I said, it's a lot of fun. It also has a pretty decent battery life. It's got a 14-minute approximately battery life in it. The battery is just here on the back. Simply pull it out, and then you can charge this with the included USB to USB-C charging ports. So very, very easy to charge up. Now that battery life, like I said, it depends on once, not only with flying the drone, but also as you're recording and taking photos and all that kind of stuff. The same thing with the remote control. That also has a port for charging it up with the rechargeable battery. And also next to that, it does have a micro SD card slot, 32 gigabits worth of memory into here. So that way it'll allow you to record that footage as you are flying your drone. But overall, like I said, it is a lot of fun. So if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolutely great drone for maybe yourself or to give as a gift, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.